This is Samsung Galaxy A14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So to start, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called, Caffeine. So open the Google Play Store app, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, you know the drill. Then look for the Caffeine-Keep the Screen On app by the Caffeine developer. Then install it, and this is a very lightweight application, just under 7 megabytes in file size, so the whole process will take no more than 10 seconds, as you can see. Then you gotta launch the app. Inside the app interface, make sure that the timeout option or section was set to be infinite, and as long as the Caffeine app will stay active in the background, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. So make sure not to close the app and check whether it is active in the background. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.